If you're moving your family to the East Valley for work and you're searching for one home that checks all the boxes, schools, safety, modern style, and a budget you can actually live with, there's a good chance you'll overlook the right community. What if I told you there's a boutique gated neighborhood in Chandler where brand new homes start in the low 700s and still feel like elevated living? But here's the catch. Many buyers don't ask the right questions up front and they end up frustrated. Today, you're going to see exactly what to look for and whether you're the kind of family that should be zeroing in on Viviendo.
I'm Megan Williams, and my husband and I help relocating families here to the East Valley all the time. We help you pick the right neighborhood and avoid those hidden surprises. In this video, we'll walk through the Viviendo, and it could be a perfect match for migrating families just like yours.
Let's start with where you'll be living. Viviendo sits near Ocotillo Road and McQueen Road in Chandler, Arizona 85249. It's a small gated community built by Hovnanian Homes, one of the most consistent national builders for design and quality. For relocating families, location is everything. Chandler is one of Arizona's strongest job markets, home to employers like Intel, PayPal, and Northrop Grumman. Freeways Loop 101, Loop 202, and Route 60 connect you to the entire metro area in minutes. You're also about 25 minutes from Sky Harbor Airport, so if one spouse commutes and the other works remotely, you both win on convenience. Now, let's talk about the homes themselves. Viviendo features 4 floor plans, both 1-story and 2-story options, ranging roughly 2,100 to 3,400 square feet. Bedrooms range from 3 to 6, bathrooms 3 to 4.5, and each comes with a 2-car garage. Select plans include an extra suite, perfect for multi-generational living or long-term guests. Architectural styles come in loft, farmhouse, classic, and elements collections, each curated with modern finishes and clean line. Base prices begin around $709.90 and top out near $859,000, depending on lot size and upgrades. If your budget lands in the 700s, you're in line for a brand new 3 or 4 bedroom home in a gated Chandler neighborhood. If you stretch toward $850K, you step into the larger 5 or 6 bedroom plans with designer kitchens and flex spaces for home offices or teen lounges. For families relocating from California or the Midwest, this often feels like getting double the house for the same money. lifestyle like once you move in? Because Viviendo is gated, you'll immediately notice the calm. Less traffic, kids playing safely, and neighbors who actually wave. The amenities keep it simple and community-focused. A playground, dog park, ramada with BBQ, and green space for gatherings. There isn't a massive clubhouse or resort pool, and that's intentional. Lower maintenance means lower HOA costs, about $150 a month, and fewer empty amenities that nobody uses. For most families relocating from busier metros, that trade-off feels refreshing. Schools are one of the biggest reasons families pick Chandler. Viviendo feeds into Chandler Unified School District, known for strong academics and supportive parent communities. Class sizes average 1 teacher for 14 students in elementary and 1 for 20 in middle and high school. Nearby schools include Santan Junior High and Basha High, both with excellent extracurricular programs. And remember, Arizona allows open enrollment. So if you fall in love with a STEM program or charter option nearby, you can often enroll there even if you live outside the boundary. Now, let's look at costs beyond the mortgage. The HOA, like I mentioned, is about $150 a month. That covers community upkeep, gate security, and the shared outdoor areas. Property taxes average around $2,000 a year, lower than many East Coast or West Coast metros. You'll still want to budget for landscaping and utilities. Summers are hot, so plan for $200 to $250 electric bills in July and August, but much lower in spring and fall. Water plus trash runs near $100, internet $80, and your grocery costs hover about 10 to 15% above the national average. You'll save money on things like tolls, parking, and winter maintenance though. No snow tires, no furnace repairs. For commuting, you're about 25 minutes to Intel or Price Corridor, 35 minutes to downtown Phoenix, and under 15 to downtown Chandler and Gilbert Heritage District. So daily drives are manageable and weekends offer plenty to do. Farmers markets at Agritopia, concerts at downtown Chandler, and endless outdoor festivals mean family time that doesn't require flights or hotel stays. Let's pause for the twist that surprises most relocating families. You can have gated living, strong schools, and modern design without entering luxury-only pricing. Many buyers assume gated automatically means 1 million plus custom homes and massive HOAs. Not here. Viviendo's pricing in the 700s and 800s makes it attainable for dual income families. It's one of the few new build options left in Chandler that still balances modern design with family affordability. And another myth that you can't find newer construction in top school districts. Viviendo proves that wrong too. Because of its smaller size, homes are limited and lots go quickly. So if you're planning a relocation for 2025 or 2026, this is a place to tour early. Here's what this means for your family. If you're moving for work, you want that sweet spot between commute time and quality of life. You want your kids in safe, clean schools. You want neighbors who are also family-minded. And you don't want to spend your weekends maintaining an older home. Viviendo gives you that mix. Gated privacy, modern floor plans, reasonable HOA, and proximity to Chandler's best employers and recreation. I've worked with families who left states like Washington and Illinois thinking they'd have to choose between affordability and lifestyle. Once they saw neighborhoods like this, they realized Arizona offers both. You just need local guidance to narrow it down. If your price point is under $650K, you may want to explore resale neighborhoods in Queen Creek or Mesa. But if your range is $700K to $850K, Viviendo deserves to be at the top of your list. A home isn't just a purchase. It's where your family will spend birthdays, morning coffee moments, and weekend barbecues. At Viviendo, those memories start in a clean, modern, secure community that actually fits your lifestyle. If you're thinking about moving to Chandler or the East Valley and you want a clear plan for neighborhoods, schools, and budgets that fit your family, reach out. My info's below. My team and I help families relocate every week, and we'd love to guide you through builders, incentives, and local options so you can move confidently. If this video was helpful, hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because next week we're breaking down the safest family neighborhoods in Chandler for 2025. Thanks for watching. I'm Megan Williams with Blue Collar Homes AZ, and I'll see you in the next one.